Creating your Infor content in EPAK is a simple three-step process. First, record your process. Whatever the best practice is, just perform the steps. EPAK records everything and even writes the work instructions for you automatically. Next, edit your recording. Review and add key information like who does it, why do they need to do it and when, and is there anything important you need to know. Finally, publish. Publishing is the easiest part. With EPAK, you document your business process just one time. From this single recording and editing session, EPAK generates more than 10 different outputs that support your Infor software, like business process documents and test scripts used during design and config, training guides, PowerPoint, and job aids for training and go live, and an interactive website with e-learning and help modes that support you when you're live. Simply select the outputs you require, click Publish, and EPAK generates the materials for you. One of the most time-consuming parts of any project is documentation. This is a business process document. You've probably created something like this before. It's time-consuming and tedious. Most often, there just isn't enough time to really go in and document everything. I'm going to show you how easy it is to create something like this in EPAK. This is the EPAK Developer application. It works with all of Infor's business solutions. It's the tool we use to quickly document our Infor application processes. The EPAK Developer is a Windows application. There are menus, toolbars, buttons, and a work area just like all the other software you already know how to use. To get started, you'll go into EPAK and identify what your users are doing in your Infor software. EPAK provides a simple and intuitive way for you to outline and organize things. I'm going to start by getting organized and create a basic outline for my Infor software. I just have a few things in my outline, but you can add as many as you need. I also want some overview information that explains a feature, so I'm going to put this over here in this area we call the concept box. You can put text, images, audio, pretty much anything. You can even add other documents like MS Word and PDF files, just like you'd attach something to an email. EPAK's a great way to collect lots of information and bring it together into one place without needing to be a programmer or web developer, so all of your users know exactly where to go when they need help. But really, the core function of the EPAK Developer is making it incredibly easy to go in and document your Infor processes as quickly as possible. So next, I'm going to show you how to do that. To record the process, start by clicking the Record button, and that will bring up the EPAK Recorder along with our Infor application. The nice thing about EPAK is that you don't have to worry about taking screenshots and writing work instructions. All you need to do is go into your Infor software and perform the steps. Whatever the best practice is, and EPAK records everything. I'm just going to do a few basic steps. As I go through, EPAK is recording everything that I do. So I've recorded all the steps in my process. When we're done recording and back in the developer software, you'll notice that we have a different view. This is the topic editor view, where we'll review and edit our recording. Each of these blue circles represents a step in the process we just recorded. When we click on one, the step is displayed in the editing window. Notice that EPAK took a screenshot, highlighted the area where we performed the action, and even wrote a work instruction for us. We can also add information for our users to give them some background or let them know if there's anything that's important about the step. I'm done editing, so I'll save my work and move on to the final step. Publishing is where we take our recorded processes in the EPAK Developer and export them so we can make them available to our users. EPAK publishes materials in common formats like MS Word and PowerPoint, and a website with video demonstrations and interactive simulations. I want to publish my work, so I'll click the Publish button and step through the screens of the publishing wizard. Here's where I can choose what outputs I want EPAK to generate. We make our selections, and EPAK takes our recordings and automatically generates the formatted materials. Publishing is the easiest step because EPAK does all the work for us. Once the publishing wizard has created our outputs, they're stored on our hard drive. EPAK creates professionally formatted documents without the need to take a single screenshot or do any editing in MS Word. All of the outputs EPAK creates are used throughout the Infor application lifecycle. The business process document is mainly used during the design and config phases, but it can also be used as a starting point for meeting compliance and reporting needs or for ISO certification. It contains overview information about the process, screenshots, and work instructions. EPAK also generates test scripts in Excel and Word formats. Job aids that can be used for support when the application is live. PowerPoint presentations and training guides that can be used in the classroom. One of the best features is the interactive website that can be used for e-learning and online help. You don't need to be a web developer or programmer. The interactive website is simply another output EPAK automatically generates. It contains the outline, overview information, and several different learning and help modes for each business process. The See It mode is a self-running video demonstration that shows the user exactly what they need to do. The Do It mode is an interactive online coach that walks the user step by step through the business process when they're working in the live environment. The interactive website also provides Try It and Know It modes. These are interactive simulation training modes for users to practice and get hands-on experience before using the live software. All of this material looks like it would be difficult to create, but it's easy with EPAK. With EPAK, you document your business processes once. EPAK creates everything you need to be successful and get the most from your Infor software.